Welcome to a Foxy Tech Tips tutorial on turning tracking support on and off on a PSVR 2. If you find this tutorial helpful, please consider subscribing to my channel and liking the video. You should turn on tracking support for PSVR 2 if you experience tracking errors often, or if the VR screen moves around on its own. A frame is added around your TV screen to make it easier for your VR headset to recognize it. From your PS5 dashboard, scroll to the top right of the screen and open Settings. In Settings, scroll down and select Accessories. In Accessories settings, scroll down and select PlayStation VR 2. In PSVR settings, scroll all the way down to the Others section, and you'll see the first option is for tracking support. You can enable or disable it here. And that draws an end to this tutorial. Please like the video if you found it helpful and subscribe to Foxy Tech Tips for more PSVR 2 tips and tricks.